If your diesel engine's glow plug indicator light stays on after starting or begins flashing while driving, it's a sign that something isn't working correctly. In this video, I'll explain the possible causes, how to diagnose the issue, and what solutions you can apply to fix it. In diesel engines, glow plugs heat the combustion chamber to make starting easier, especially in cold weather. When you turn the key, the glow plug light turns on briefly and then switches off once the plugs reach the correct temperature. However, if the light stays on or starts flashing, it indicates a problem with the preheating system or other engine components. Causes: 1. Faulty glow plugs. If one or more glow plugs are damaged, the system will detect a failure and keep the indicator light on. Over time, glow plugs can wear out or burn out, reducing their ability to heat the combustion chamber. 2. Defective glow plug relay. The glow plug relay is responsible for supplying power to the plugs. If it's faulty or stuck in the on position, the indicator light may remain on even after the engine starts. 3. Faulty temperature sensor. A malfunctioning coolant temperature sensor can send incorrect readings to the ECU, engine control unit, causing the preheating system to operate incorrectly. 4. Electrical system issues. A short circuit, blown fuses, or loose connections can cause failures in the glow plug circuit, keeping the warning light illuminated. 5. ECU malfunction. If the engine control unit, ECU, has an issue, it may misinterpret information from the preheating system and keep the warning light on or flashing. Diagnosis: 1. Glow plug inspection. Disconnect the glow plugs and measure their resistance with a multimeter. A very high or infinite reading indicates that the plug is faulty and needs to be replaced. 2. Checking the glow plug relay. Use a multimeter to verify if the relay is supplying power to the glow plugs. If there's no voltage or the relay stays activated after starting the engine, it may be defective. 3. Testing the temperature sensor. Scan the vehicle with an OBD scanner to check the temperature sensor values. If it shows inconsistent readings or values outside the normal range, it may need to be replaced. 4. Electrical system inspection. Check the fuses related to the glow plug system and look for any damaged or loose wires. 5. Scanning the ECU. Connect an OBD scanner to read error codes stored in the ECU. This can help determine whether the issue originates from the control unit or another sensor. Solutions: 1. Replace the glow plugs. If the glow plugs are damaged, install new ones with the same manufacturer specifications. 2. Replace the glow plug relay. If the relay isn't working correctly, replace it to ensure proper power delivery to the glow plugs. 3. Replace the temperature sensor. If the sensor is sending incorrect data, replace it so the ECU can properly manage the preheating system. 4. Repair electrical system issues. Fix any faulty connections, replace blown fuses, and repair damaged wiring. 5. Check the ECU. If the problem persists after inspecting the mentioned components, reprogramming or replacing the ECU may be necessary. Additional tips: 1. Perform regular maintenance on the preheating system and check the condition of the glow plugs. 2. Use an OBD scanner to detect issues early and prevent bigger problems. 3. Ensure the vehicle's battery is in good condition, as low voltage can affect the glow plug system's performance. 4. If you live in a cold area, wait a few seconds after the glow plug light turns off before starting the engine for better ignition. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vehicle diagnostics and repair content. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to respond.